I am making breakfast.
I am making breakfast.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am choosing what to wear today.
I am choosing what to wear today.
I am getting dressed for work.
I am getting dressed for work.
I am waiting for the bus.
I am waiting for the bus.
I am taking out the trash.
I am taking out the trash.
I am carrying my shopping bags.
I am carrying my shopping bags.
I am sewing a button onto my shirt.
I am sewing a button onto my shirt.
I am checking my phone.
I am checking my phone.
I am playing with children.
I am playing with children.
I am sending an email.
I am sending an email.
I am reading a book.
I am reading a book.
I am watching TV.
I am watching TV.
I am drinking coffee.
I am drinking coffee.
I am cooking dinner.
I am cooking dinner.
I am folding the laundry.
I am folding the laundry.
I am cleaning the kitchen.
I am cleaning the kitchen.
I am working from home today.
I am working from home today.
I am exercising at the gym.
I am exercising at the gym.
I am talking to a friend.
I am talking to a friend.
I am writing in my journal.
I am writing in my journal.
I am listening to music.
I am listening to music.
I am taking a shower.
I am taking a shower.
I am watering the plants.
I am watering the plants.
I am feeding the dog.
I am feeding the dog.
I am walking to the store.
I am walking to the store.
I am learning something new.
I am learning something new.
I am organizing my desk.
I am organizing my desk.
I am fixing my computer.
I am fixing my computer.
I am packing my bag.
I am packing my bag.
I am baking a cake.
I am baking a cake.
I am putting away groceries.
I am putting away groceries.
I am vacuuming the floor.
I am vacuuming the floor.
I am stretching after a workout.
I am stretching after a workout.
I am calling my parents.
I am calling my parents.
I am wrapping a gift.
I am wrapping a gift.
I am preparing for a meeting.
I am preparing for a meeting.
I am paying the bills.
I am paying the bills.
I am filling up the car with gas.
I am filling up the car with gas.
I am eating lunch at my desk.
I am eating lunch at my desk.
I am relaxing after a long day.
I am relaxing after a long day.
I am setting the table for dinner.
I am setting the table for dinner.
I am locking the door before bed.
I am locking the door before bed.
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
I am enjoying the weather.
I am enjoying the weather.
I am preparing breakfast for my family.
I am preparing breakfast for my family.
I am brushing my hair.
I am brushing my hair.
I am waiting in line at the store.
I am waiting in line at the store.
I am reading the news.
I am reading the news.
I am texting a friend.
I am texting a friend.
I am tidying up the living room.
I am tidying up the living room.
I am ironing my clothes.
I am ironing my clothes.
I am shopping for groceries.
I am shopping for groceries.
I am taking a walk in the park.
I am taking a walk in the park.
I am filling out a form.
I am filling out a form.
I am writing a letter.
I am writing a letter.
I am opening a package I just received.
I am opening a package I just received.
I am charging my laptop.
I am charging my laptop.
I am putting on my jacket.
I am putting on my jacket.
I am tying my shoes.
I am tying my shoes.
I am wiping the kitchen counter.
I am wiping the kitchen counter.
I am sorting the mail.
I am sorting the mail.
I am driving to the office.
I am driving to the office.
I am meeting a client.
I am meeting a client.
I am running errands around town.
I am running errands around town.
I am paying at the cashier.
I am paying at the cashier.
I am booking a hotel for my vacation.
I am booking a hotel for my vacation.
I am looking for my wallet.
I am looking for my wallet.
I am calling customer service.
I am calling customer service.
I am taking a short break.
I am taking a short break.
I am eating a snack before dinner.
I am eating a snack before dinner.
I am relaxing with a cup of tea.
I am relaxing with a cup of tea.
I am painting a picture.
I am painting a picture.
I am thanking someone for their help.
I am thanking someone for their help.